Oh, well, hello there, and welcome to Bu-Bestie University. I am your professor, Marquita Greathouse. I just want to go over a few phrases and words that I say in some of my videos that some of you guys take out of context, okay? First, being cute. When I say a cute handbag, let me tell you what I really mean. Cute handbag. Appealing to the eye. Okay? Appealing to the eye, but no potential purchase in mind. It's just simply a cute handbag. Do that mean go out and purchase? I'm not saying that. It's a cute handbag. Next, wow handbag. This is when I'm going over new releases, things that I see in the lookbook. Okay? A wow handbag. Very appealing to the eye. Has potential purchase, but it's not on my mind and it's not a need. It's just a wow handbag. It looks nice. It's coming out soon and it's a wow for the moment, but of course I might change my mind. I want this handbag. You get that? Want, want, want. That's the key word. I want the handbag. That means it's appealing to the eye. This is a handbag that I'm going to add to my wish list. I'm going to save, and I might purchase, and I might just change my mind because I found something else. Because it was just a want. You got it? Okay, I need. I need this handbag. Very, very, very appealing to the eye. It matches my style. It can be used as an everyday handbag because it's a need. I will hustle. I will save money just to get this handbag because I need it. I will even sell some handbags in my collection that I no longer use. Or I will sell a handbag that I don't really love, but I love having it in my collection, but it's not worth keeping over this handbag because I need this handbag. I will send my husband a nice text because I need this handbag. And 24 hours later, immediately 24 hours later, I am going to send him a screenshot of the handbag because I need it. Don't wait 48 hours. Don't wait 72 hours. That's too long. The sweet text is still on his mind. So 24 hours later, I'm sending a screenshot because I need that handbag. So, do you guys know the difference? So when I say cute, okay, when I say wow, when I say want, and when I say need, these four things mean something totally different. Do it mean go out and purchase? No. But for me, when I say need, that's a yes for me. Okay? So I want to thank you guys so much for attending BU University, Bestie University, and I am going to give you a quiz next week. So this is going to be a study guide that I list, and once I give you the test, I hope you guys pass. Until next time, thank you guys so much. Signing off, Professor Greathouse.